Are you ready for a smartphone revolution? Because Samsung is about to change the game once again. Get ready to be blown away by the next big thing, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We've all seen the leaks, the rumors, and the speculations. But today, we're diving deep into everything we know about this upcoming flagship. So buckle up, tech enthusiasts, because this is going to be a wild ride. A new design. The S24 Ultra was a looker, but Samsung seems to be aiming for something even more sleek and sophisticated with the S25 Ultra. We're talking about a thinner profile, more rounded edges, and a design that's reminiscent of the beloved Note series. It's a bold move, but it's clear Samsung is listening to its fans. Power under the hood. Let's talk performance. The S25 series is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's latest and greatest, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. We're expecting a massive leap in processing power, AI capabilities, and overall speed. But here's the twist. We might also see MediaTek chips in some models. This could be a game changer for those who prioritize affordability without sacrificing performance. Camera reinvented. The Samsung S25 Ultra's camera is set to be a game changer, continuing Samsung's tradition of leading smartphone photography. At the core is a rumored 200MP main sensor, promising to deliver incredibly detailed and crisp images, even in challenging conditions. This sensor is expected to excel in capturing minute details, making it ideal for high-resolution photography. Additionally, the S25 Ultra is speculated to feature enhanced telephoto lenses, likely offering superior zoom capabilities without losing clarity. This means you'll be able to capture distant subjects with precision. A new ultra-wide sensor is also anticipated, designed to broaden your photographic horizons, quite literally, by capturing expansive scenes with improved clarity and color accuracy. Together, these upgrades could make the S25 Ultra's camera system one of the most advanced on the market, perfect for both amateur and professional photographers. Beyond the specs, of course, there's more to a smartphone than just specs. We're expecting top-tier features like a titanium frame for durability, an even better battery life, and advanced AI capabilities that will make your life easier. But the real question is, will these features set the S25 Ultra apart from the competition? The verdict. So, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute beast. With a stunning design, incredible performance, and a camera system that's out of this world, it's definitely a phone to watch. But will it be enough to justify the expected premium price tag? Only time will tell. The S25 Ultra is generating a lot of buzz due to its expected design overhaul. If rumors are true, it might feature a sleeker profile with a larger display, minimal bezels, and improved durability. The camera setup is also anticipated to receive significant upgrades, potentially making it a top contender for mobile photography. Many are excited about the rumored advanced AI features, promising smarter and more efficient performance. However, it's not just about aesthetics. The internal specs are equally important. With the possibility of a more powerful processor, longer battery life, and enhanced software, the S25 Ultra could set a new standard in the smartphone